Good morning, dear children. How are you all? So, we were studying the chapter Air Around Us. We were studying the chapter Air Around Us. We studied how the air is around us and we can feel it, but we cannot see it. We can breathe the air. We can feel the air from the fan. We can feel the air while riding a bicycle. We can see the water vapor when the water boils up. So the components of air contains water vapor. Then we can see the smoke comes from different areas and cars and all and get mixed in the air and it cannot be separated. Yes or no? Then we have seen that air contains dust. In a dark room, when the sun rays come, we can see the dust. We can see the dust that come with the air. Then we can see the bad smell, germs in the air when we pass away with nearby some place where lot of dirt is there. When there is lot of dirt, we can feel the germs in the air. But like COVID is there now everywhere. It is passing through by sneezing and all only. By touching, by sneezing. How it is transmitting? It is using the means of air only. Then we can see that how can we clean the air? We can clean the air with the help of planting more and more trees. Properties of air: slow moving air is called breeze. When a air blows a little fast, it is called wind, and very fast air is called storm. When the air moves very fast, it is called storm. Storm means andhi. Then we also studied that the airplane and birds, they need air. Air supports them to fly. Air supports them to fly. And the wind in summers helps our clothes to dry up. I hope you must have read the chapter nicely and gone through the explanation in the last class, and you have also written down the 20 difficult words. If not, then the word be on page 73 in the book. Children, mark my words. If I tell you to do something in the book, you have to do it in the book only, okay? Not in the copy. So these 20 difficult words you will write in the book, not in copy, in the book. And the exercises that are there in the book, you can do it them in the book. We'll be doing question answers and some important work in the copy. So today we'll be doing 20 difficult words. I'll be reading them and you will be doing it in your book. So let's see some 20 difficult words from the beginning of the chapter. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Then you have another word, including, I-N-C-L-U-D-I-N-G, including. Then you have seconds, S-E-C-O-N-D-S, seconds. Presence, P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E, presence. Swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Mixture, M-I-X-T-U-R-E. Gases, G-A-S-E-S, gases. Kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Evaporation, E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, evaporation. Then on the next page you have difficult words like handkerchief, handkerchief, H-A-N-D, hand, K-E-R, chief, C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. Droplets, D-R-O-P-L-E-T-S. Then you have condensation, C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N, condensation. Then you have incense stick, that is agarbatti. Then vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Factories, F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Then another difficult word can be garbage, G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Sneezes, S-N-E-E-Z-E-S, sneezes. Cough, C-O-U-G-H-S, coughs. Then window, W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. Then you have another word, carbon dioxide, C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon, D-I-O-X-I-D, oxide, carbon dioxide. Then you have another word on the next page, that is on the last page of the chapter. Occupies, OCCUPIS, occupies. Breeze, BREEZE, breeze. Storm, STORM, storm. Uproot, UPROOT, uproot. Temporary, TEMPORARY, temporary. During, DURING, during. Then sailboat, SAILBOAT, sailboat. Aeroplane, AEROPLANE, plane, aeroplane. Then you have pollution, PULLUTION, pollution. Now like this, some words you can use from your own. If you feel some difficult words, 24 difficult words. On this page 73, word B is there. You have to write here in the book, not in the copy. Then let's discuss, tick the correct options. Air contains gases, water vapor, dust and germs. All of these. So the answer is all of these. Air contain all of these. Next. A wet cloth dries faster on a rainy day? No. Cloudy day? No. A hot summer day. A hot summer day. Then next. Next is water droplet settles on a cold drink bottle because, now why water droplet settles on a cold drink bottle? Because air contains water vapor. Because air contains water vapor. Next, wind that blows very fast and strong is called storm. STORM, storm. Now you will do this. Take the correct option in the book. Word be in the book. Read the chapter, and in the rough copy you can draw any one thing: kite, aeroplane, bird, sailboat, any one thing which gets support from the air for the movement. That means for flying or moving from one place to another, they get support from the air. Okay, so you can draw any one diagram: kite, sailboat, aeroplane, bird, which gets support from the air for the movement, either in the air or in water. Okay, so you will do word B in the book, take the correct option in the book and draw one diagram in the rough copy. Till then, take care children. See you in the next class. Bye.